morning students, welcome back in second video for 7th standard of science. In previous video I have taught you about agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture and cash crops etc. In this video we shall know about crops. In this video we shall know about preparing the soil, how to prepare the soil for cultivating the crops. First of all, preparing the soil. Preparing the soil is the first step in the cultivation of crops. This involves plowing, leveling and manuring. The three steps which will be involved in preparing the soil are plowing, leveling and manuring. First, plowing. Second step, leveling. And third step, manuring. We shall know that how to prepare the soil. First step is plowing, and plowing is the first step for preparing the soil. Plow is a farm equipment with a curved blade used to loosen and turn the soil. First of all, with the help of a sharp curved blade, soil is to loosen and turn. It can be pulled by an animal or a tractor. If the field are large enough and farmers are rich enough to buy, then tractor can be used for plowing. So plowing is the first step. Plowing loosens the soil and creates air spaces. It also helps the soil retain moisture. The roots of plants can penetrate loose soil more easily. So plowing is the first step for preparing the soil. After plowing, second step is leveling. After plowing, the big chunks of soils are broken and the soil is pressed down lightly with a leveler. This process is called leveling. It packs in loose soil and prevents soil erosion. It also helps to distribute water evenly over the field. If the soil is not leveled, then water can accumulate in little pits. A leveler like a plow can be driven by animals or a tractor. This is the second step, leveling. After that, the third step is manuring. Some fertilizers and manure are added before the sowing of seeds. Whenever we have to sow seed, before it we have to add some manure or fertilizers in the soil. This process is called manuring. And some later, after sowing the seed, we will discuss whenever sowing the seed. Here the three steps has been given for preparing the soil. First step is plowing, second step is leveling, third step is manuring. After that, sowing the seed. How we use, which process we use for sowing the seed. The next steps after preparing the soil is sowing the seed. Whenever our soil is prepared, then we have to sow the seed. Only clean and healthy and disease-free seeds are selected for sowing the seeds. If we have to sow the seed, we have to check that seeds are disease-free or not, the seeds are healthy or not, the seeds are clean or not. Whenever we have to sow the seed, we have to check out, and after checking, it will be clear that the seeds are clean, healthy and disease-free, then we are going to sowing the seed. Before sowing the seeds, fungicides are sprayed over the seeds. Is an added precautions. This is the added precautions before sowing the seeds. Seeds have to be sown at the right depth and at right interval. This is the way, this is the process of sowing the seed. Whenever we have to sow the seed, we have to take care the right depth and at right intervals. If seeds are sown very deep into the soil, they may not grow due to the lack of air. Whenever the seeds are more deep in the soil, then it may not grow due to the lack of air. If they are sown too close to the surface, then birds can eat them. If seeds are sown very close together, the plants which grow from them may not enough sunlight, water and nutrients. Due to it, if we have to sow the seed, then seeds are at the right depth and right intervals. And if they are sown too far apart, a space is wasted. So whenever we have to sow the seed, we have to take care that our seeds are at right depth and at right intervals. So students, today we shall know about preparing the soil, the 3 steps used in preparing the soil. First is plowing, second is leveling, third is manuring. And after these 3 steps, we have to sow the seed. How we sow the seed, we have no. We will meet in next video. Thank you.